Hi Gomez! Glad here back on the channel, and whether you're new or regular viewer, I'm so happy that you're here. In today's video, it's another bag review, and today we will be talking about this bag from Marc Jacobs bag. This is the nylon medium tote bag. So yeah, if you're interested to know what are the measurements, what fits inside of the bag, and how it looks on me, although shoulder bag lang naman to, but yeah, if you would like to know those information, then keep on watching. And before I start, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. Okay, Glammates. So, ganito siya nung na-receive ko. It comes with this plastic, no paper bag. Normally, si Marc Jacobs, even yung mga direct seller natin sa US, hindi talaga sila binibigyan ng paper bag. So, kung naghahanap ka ng paper bag, and normally you purchase it online sa mga online seller, then wala talaga siyang paper bag. Ang paper bag lang is like yung malaki na paper bag nila kapag kinuha nila sa outlet. Here in the Philippines, of course, if pumunta ka sa mall at dun ka bumili, definitely may paper bag, because I think those items, if I'm not mistaken, are retail bags, and yeah, kaya may paper bag. But if sa outlet, wala talaga. And this tote bag, nylon medium tote bag, actually from the outlet. So yeah. And this one, I got it for 6,999, almost 7,000 via sea cargo. So inantay ko tong dumating like 2 months, if I'm not mistaken. And again, the price, it varies on the store promotion, and also if it's sea cargo or air cargo. Again, lagi kong sinasabi, Glammates, if it's air cargo, definitely mas mahal siya ng 800 to 1,500. Dati, nasa 800 to 1,000. But ngayon kasi, nagmahal na din ng mga shipping, courier, logistics, you know. Here's the tag, Glammates. If you would like to search, the style code is M0016680-001 in the color 001, which is black, and then the suggested retail price is $250. So that's that. And this is the look, Glammates, na walang laman. Again, the material is kilted nylon in medium size, and I believe one size lang to, if I'm not mistaken. So ganyan siya, Glammates, front of the bag, and then side, back, no slip pocket or zipper pocket at the back, and then yung side niya ulit, no metallic feet or anything, kilted lang din siya. And then it comes with this double shoulder straps, and then top zip closure here, yan, this one. And yung kanyang hardware is gold, but yung kanyang slider, or no, the pull rather, this one is leather, yan. Oh, smooth as butter, diba? Hindi mahirap i-unzip at i-zipper, kasi may ibang zipper na mahirap, especially kapag super bulky sa loob, medyo mahirapan kayo. But this one naman, hindi. Ang nice nung teeth ng zipper. It's also black. And then, hindi siya, like end-to-end na close. Hindi. Meron siyang space dito. Yeah, na pwede mong silipin yung inside ng bag. Even here, yeah, that one. Hindi siya close na close. Just to share with you. And then, inside of the bag, it's still nylon, yung kanyang material inside. And then, here, meron siyang Marc Jacobs New York. Yeah. Nag-ano pa ako eh. Like, tinignan ko pa talaga kung New York talaga. Kasi inisip ko, Kate Spade, New York. No, it's Marc Jacobs New York. There you go. Meron siyang zipper dito. This one is also, yung pull niya is leather. And then here is gold, and yeah, meron siyang zipper pocket. It comes with this care card from Marc Jacobs as well. main compartment, and then here sa kabila meron siyang slip pocket here, another slip pocket, so dalawang slip pockets, and then another big zipper compartment. Mas malaki to yung nandito. Oh my god, marami ka palang mailalagay inside, maraming compartments. Yeah, so those are the features inside of the bag. And yung iba kasi nagtatanong sa akin kung ilang etiketa inside. Like ito, yung white niya is yung material nakalagay dito, polyester fiber, polyurethane foam there. And then yung isa would be the style code, itong pangalawa. Tapos yeah, another etiketa. Nandito din yung kanyang material and another etiketa. So 4 pala. Ito is made in Vietnam. Yeah. So yun. This one made in Vietnam, yung material, then the style code, then the material again. So 4. Okay? Kung talagang gusto nyong malaman yung ganon. So ayun na, Glammate. Sinabi ko na. And then here pala, in front, andito yung kanyang OG na plate, Marc Jacobs New York brand logo. There you go. Maikse yung dito sa baba niya, yung measurement. This one from here up until here is 11.5 inches. Pero sa taas, from here up until here is 19 inches. Now, for the height is 11.5 inches. The width, this one from here up until here, kapag na-stretch, is 8 inches. And yung drop ng shoulder bag from here up until here is 10 inches. So those are the measurements of this bag. So what fits Glammates, ang gagawin ko, since I have my work bag here, which is the Karl Lagerfeld canvas tote bag, at kung hindi nyo pa napanood yung video ko and review ko dito, then go ahead and check it out. Yung what's in my work bag, kaka-upload ko lang ng Glammates. Please do check it out. What I'm trying to do here is that I'll transfer all the things inside of my Karl Lagerfeld canvas tote. Ililipat natin siya dito. Parehas kasi silang medium tote, but from the looks of it, mas malaki tong Marc Jacobs. Yeah. And definitely, I'm guessing na mas madaming space at meron ka pang pwedeng idagdag dito. Alright, so let's start. Ang dami ko na naman chika. And first and foremost, of course, yung ating laptop. Hindi ako makakapagtrabaho sa opisina kapag walang laptop. Ilagay natin dyan. But I think ang magiging problem ko here is yung zipper kasi medyo mababa siya. But yeah, hindi. Kasya naman siya. Okay, that's that. And then, again, madami akong pouch kasi gusto ko organize inside. Ayoko ng kalat-kalat. Para pag hinanap ko yung mouse ko, hinanap ko yung headset ko, alam ko kung saan ko kukunin. So, this is the first pouch from Karl Lagerfeld then. Nandyan yung aking mouse and headset. Okay. And then, another pouch from Karl Lagerfeld, and nasabi ko dun sa video ko last time what's in my bag. Dito naman yung mga charger sa phone, charger sa laptops, and then of course, rainy season, kailangan talaga natin ng payong. So, yung payong, ilalagay ko lang siya dyan. Nasa ilalim siya. And this one, my Kike kit. Alam niyo na kung anong nandito. Glammates pang retouch, or kung kailangan ko lang kulayan yung mukha ko a little bit para hindi naman ako mukhang may sakit. So, yeah. Kike kit. And then, this one, last time hindi ko to dala kasi I feel like super puno na nung bag. But, isama natin to. This is my school supplies. Like ball pen, cutter if kailangan, stapler, gunting, liquid eraser. And then this one, I got it from Bench. Alcogel clean machines like panlinis sa laptop, panlinis sa cellphone, ganon. Kaartihan. So, yan, nandyan din siya para, you know, organize. And of course, this Sigma brushes. I love it because it comes with this container. Yeah. Kasi kapag yung brush lang, 'di ba, hindi hygienic, like pwedeng malagyan ng dirt. So pag nilagay mo sa mukha mo, madumi na, ganon. Kaya gustong-gusto ko to dahil meron na siyang lagayan, ganon. And this one, bago lang to. I bought it online. Super duper sale. Chanel mirror. I do have the dual mirror though. Kaso, kapag malaki yung gamit ko na bag, ito yung dala ko para kapag nag-retouch ako, kita ko na yung face ko agad-agad. Ganun. Pag small bag naman, yung mirror na compact lang. And then of course, my perfume, again, nakita nyo na to, nilagay ko to dun, or nandun to dun sa bag ko last time. Ito talaga yung dala ko. Kasi minsan, ang tamad ko din eh. Kung ano yung nandun sa bag ko, hindi ko na siya pinapalitan. So for now, Chloe Love Story is our perfume for the week, or for the month. And then, my company ID, of course, nandyan lang yan. Wet wipes, kakabili ko lang to at nagustuhan ko. It's organic baby wipes. Tapos no paraben, no alcohol, no chlorine, no harsh chemicals. Ganun. Love Mother Earth. Ang peg. At saka ang kapal nung sheet. Tapos mabango siya. Plus, sabi niya nga, organic. So, nakakatulong tayo kay Mother Earth. And then, Johnson's Baby Powder. And then, yung gustong-gusto kong dinadala kapag sobrang init. Hindi ko pa ito na-charge, pero in fairness to the fair, tumagal siya ng 1 week at meron pa rin siyang baterya. Kasi ginagamit ko lang naman ito pag nagta-travel or naglalakad. Kasi pagpawisan na ako, ayan, kailangan ko niyan. And then, of course, yung ating wallets. Wallets kasi dalawa. This is my bifold wallet. It holds my cards and some bills. Kala mong dami, no? So, probably for security purposes or para mas secure yung gamit natin, valuable items, ilagay natin siya dun sa zipper compartment. And as well as my key clay, it holds my cards as well and some coins. And then, key holder, of course, from the word itself or from the name itself, key holder, it holds keys and ball pen. Gusto ko to kasi napakaliit lang. So, kapag maliit yung bag ko, pwede ko lang i-slip ng ganon. You know what I mean, Glammate. So, dyan, extra ball pen. So, ilagay natin. And then, scrunchie. Yeah. In case kailangan ko mag-ponytail. So, there you go. Ayan, it holds a lot at madaming space pa. So, yes, mas malaki to. Ang ganda pala nito. So nice. Can I close it very nicely? Oh, yes. Oh, ganun siya, Glammates, oh. Akala ko hindi ko siya mazizipper, but hindi pala. And then, yan, kita siya dito. Merong space, both ends. Ayun. So, this is how it looks nang merong laman. Ang ganda! This is how it looks, Glammmates, kapag suot natin yung tote bag. Again, this is medium tote bag. This is how it looks. Ayan, side view. Ang nice, ang ganda. And then front view. And of course, you can put it here sa crook ng arm mo. Pero, yung drop ng bag niya, hindi ganon ka-okay para sa akin. Sobrang laki niya. Pwede mo rin siyang gamitan, pababahawak mo lang siyang ganyan. But, if mabigat, hindi ko siya i-recommend or isa-suggest. Better talaga dito as a shoulder bag para may support. And yes, ang dami kong nilagay. Medyo may kabigatan siya, but manageable naman. Again, depende na lang talaga, Glammmates, kung ano ilalagay niyo. But for now, the bag is light, but depende pa rin yan sa ilalagay niyo. Ang dami kong nilagay. Yung laptop ko pa lang, bigat na ako. But because of the double straps, manageable yung bigat. Kaya, carry. Yeah, you know what I mean? So, ganyan lang siya, Glammmates, how it looks. Front view and then side view. Ganyan. Ang nice. Parang YSL ang peg. Ganun. Oh my goodness, Glammmates, if you have spare money, you're looking for a perfect working bag, kunin nyo to, Glammmates. Lakas maka YSL ang peg. Yung tote niya, enough lang yung size. Dun sa, as compared to KL, mas malaki to. Mas space pa. So, perfect for weekender and for mommies. carry din tong baby bag. Gawa na lang kayo or look for an organizer para mas organize sa loob. But, ang nice ni dog, lamis. Ang ganda. Super nice. Wala akong masabing negative. Easy to manage kasi kapag nadumihan, wipe lang. This is nylon. And then, ang ganda lang din nung brand plate here. Nakagandag ng ganda. Black and gold. Of course, you can never go wrong with black. Basic colors. Basta maganda to, Glammates. Basta kung may extra kayo and you're looking for perfect tote bag, this one. Marc Jacobs. And you know naman kasi pag Marc Jacobs medyo pricey, but I think this one is worth it. Classic. Matagal itong magagamit. Matibay ang Marc Jacobs, Glammates. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. Thank you so much for joining me for today's episode. If nagustuhan nyo, nakatulong ako sa inyo, I hope. Give me a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe before leaving and hit mo na rin yung notification bell para makita ulit tayo. Yeah, thank you so much, Glammates, for the love and support. Alam niyo naman yan, I'm forever grateful. Until next time, Glammates, stay awesome, be gladsome, and keep chasing those dreams. Yes. Bye.